Hi YouTube friends, Doreen here. I've been getting a lot of questions regarding hash browns, so I thought I would upload a quick video on just a few things about the dehydrated potatoes and how to rehydrate them and fry them up and make a wonderful meal.
In my opinion, the best dehydrated hash browns come from frozen hash browns, and the least expensive place I found is Walmart. I've been able to purchase 4 pounds of shredded potatoes for $3.34 for the pack. That's pretty inexpensive. And because they're frozen, they're already blanched, and that saves me an extra step. When you dehydrate these potatoes, it's best to thaw them first, then put them in the dehydrator. It takes about 6 or 7 hours. We're going to take a 1/3 cup of dehydrated potatoes with equal amounts of hot water. It takes approximately 5 to 6 minutes to rehydrate dehydrated potatoes. If I'm in a hurry and need it a little quicker, I just throw it in the microwave for about 30 seconds and it usually does the trick. I use cast iron because I feel it gives me a crisper hash brown. Very tempting to move around the potatoes, but I have found that if you let them sit and brown, you'll have a much nicer end result. And they're getting there. Beautiful golden brown. I have a link below for the biscuits and sausage gravy. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.